test of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Warning Alarm System. During threatening conditions and potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. This test is conducted each Wednesday, conditions permitting. In the event of severe weather in the area, this test will be postponed until the next good weather day. For more information on this test, contact the National Weather Service in Midland at 432-563-5006 or visit our website at weather.gov/Midland.